Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your social studies class. In today's class, we will discuss the weathers in detail. Well, we have talked about the weathers in general and okay, so can somebody tell me what are the general weathers do we have? A sunny day, a rainy day. Okay, let's write them down. Sunny, a rainy day. Then what else? A cloudy day. And we also have a stormy day. These are for general ones. And then we discussed that there are sometimes we have a mixture of two as well. Let's say it's a sunny day, but it's raining outside as well. It's a rainy day and it's stormy as well. It's cloudy and sunny. See, so we do have a mixture of two as well, right? Now, in today's class, in this week, basically, we will discuss every weather in detail individually, right? So, in the today's topic is sunny day. How do sunny day looks like? What are the characteristics of sunny day? So, let's start with what's the weather? Yes, can somebody define weather for me? Yes, what's the weather? Okay, wonderful. Weather basically tells us that when you look outside, how the weather is, how the day is, what you can see over there, right? So if we talk about the sunny days are usually pleasant, right? When you look outside, it's a refreshing day. It's a bright day. You can go outside. You can have some fun activities over there because you cannot do some outdoor activities in a rainy day, but you can have them in a sunny day. So the characteristics or the features which are basically associated with sunny day are that they are pleasant days mostly, right? Okay. Now, let me share the screen with you. We will have a picture of this, so then we will discuss the details more of it, okay? So, I'm going to share the screen with you. These are some, over here is the vocabulary of a sunny day, okay? So, let's look at this vocabulary. When there it's a sunny day, the vocabulary which is related to this is sunlight, because on a sunny day we have sunlight, right? The day is bright and shiny, right? Everything shines due to sunlight. The day is very bright due to the sunlight. Then we have blazing as well. The day is blazing, sunshine, sunlight, all of these are related terms. Then we have sun rays coming and a patch of sunlight as well. So basically, as a general or as a whole, if we talk about a sunny day, it's a refreshing day. You can go outside, you can have more outdoor activities because it's a bright day, it's a shiny day. Similarly, usually on in a sunny day, people visit beaches and they do have outdoor trips and parties as well, right? If we talk about the rainy day, well, we will discuss the rainy day in the upcoming days, but if we talk about over here a little bit of comparison, so all of these activities are usually not associated with a rainy day, right? We don't go outside, we don't go to the beach on a rainy day. More of the characteristics of sunny day are that in this sun is shining bright, the weather is hot or warm. Well, if we talk about the weather and particularly how the weather is in a sunny day, it's hot or warm, right? Because there is no cloud and the sky is blue, the sky is clear, there are no clouds, and you feel very hot, you feel very warm, right? So this is the best weather. And if we talk about in terms of ladies, well, ladies love the sunny day. Why? Because you can easily dry your clothes. Similarly, children love sunny day because they can go outside and they can play. And in the rainy days, parents don't allow them to go outside. Similarly, they are not allowed to go outside in a stormy day as well. The children love sunny days as well. And similarly, aunties or ladies also love because they love it. They can easily dry their clothes, right? Okay. Now I'm going to share the screen with you. There is this interesting video related to this weather. So let's watch it together and then we will look for some more vocabulary of a sunny day, okay? So show me a thumbs up if my screen is visible to you or not. Is it? Okay, wonderful.
The kinds of weather Let's discuss winters. Winters are cold, but they're beautiful. It has snow, but the weather is really cold. It's hard to go outside. So we stay indoors and have fun. That's winters. Then we have summers. Summers are hot, sunny, shiny, and playful. We all go out.
See, we can associate the sunny days more with summers because in summers the days are hot and the days are mostly sunny, right? We can go outside, we can visit parks, we can have fun. So usually outdoor activities are related with sunny day, right?
Go for festivals, beaches, and parks because summers are hot and sunny.
Okay, so it was a video related to summer and winter days, and if we make a comparison in the sunny days, so we have sunny days both in winters and summer. In summers, they are more hot, and in winters, they are more refreshing and chilling, right? Because people love to take a sun bath in the winters as well. Similarly, people love to do more outdoor activities, sunny activities in the winters, right? Okay, so now let's look at some more vocabulary related to sunny day. I'm going to share the screen again with you. Over here, there are some pictures. So let's have a look at all of these pictures. These are related to sunny day and we will discuss all of these pictures one by one, okay? So let's look at the first picture. It's the surfboard. It is related to what? Yes, people use it when they go to beaches, right? On a sunny day. Okay, then we have a sea. Well, a sea, how the sea is related to the sunny day because people usually visits beaches on a sunny day. Then a seagull, it is found along the sea. Then we have the kite. It is also related to the sunny day. People love it. Then we have an ice cream. Well, because sunny days are, as we have discussed it, that sunny days are usually hot. So people love having ice creams. Then we have a swim trunks. Why? Because we go to swimming on that on the sunny days. Then we have the swim suits, the sun hat, and the beach umbrella. All of these things are related to a visit to the beach, basically, right? Then we have a lifeguard as well. Well, if people take it when they go for swimming. Well, if we talk about the creatures which we found usually along the sea, we have the starfish, we have the crab, and we have the seashells as well, which are found along the sea. And we have the sunglasses as well. People who went to the beach to have the sun bath, they do wear these sunglasses. And the diving mask is very, very important because it helps you while diving. Over here we have the suntan cream. It's very important to take it with you because it protects your skin. Then we have a landing net. If you want to go somewhere for, yes, for fishing, you can take this. Then we have a rubber ring. People who are new into swimming and who do not know how to swim, right? They are new in it, so they can have this ring for us in order to have in a safe zone. Then the rubber dinghy. This is also very lovely, and people do use it when they went to beaches and in order to take the sun bath. And the last but not the least, we have a snorkel. Okay, so all of these things, these are basically related to a visit to a beach or how these things are related to sunny day because all of these things are used in a sunny day. Got it? Okay. Now, what is your class activity that open your notebooks, make a picture? Okay, how many of you know about what is picture description? That we make pictures and that picture describe a lot about things, right? So make a picture of a sunny day. You can make a picture of, let's say, having a picnic to a beach and add all of these things in that, right? Hurry up. Take out your picture, take out your notebook, sorry, and make a picture of it. Let me know when you are done. Yes, Alize, are you done? Okay, show it to me. Wonderful. Everybody clap for Aliza. Aliza, show it. Okay, hold your notebook like this. Properly bring it closer to the camera. Okay, wonderful. See how beautiful Aliza has made a drawing. Excellent. Okay. Yes, Vasi, are you done? Show it to me. Wonderful. Okay, what is your home assignment that you are supposed to search for some more items which are related to, or the things which are related to the sunny day? Like the vocabulary, I have told you, you are supposed to tell me if I have missed something. Okay, so search for it and share it with me in tomorrow's class. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.